Guys, welcome back in another tutorial. My name is Jahangir and today we are going to learn how to set up Flutter in Android Studio. So first of all, you need to open your browser and then search Flutter SDK, and there you will find the first link which will take you to the Flutter. Here you can select your operating system. In my case it's Windows. After that you can either download this as a zip, or you can also clone Flutter SDK. I will download it. I already have it, so I'm not downloading it. After downloading, you need to extract it in the C directory. Okay, after extracting, you will have the Flutter in your C directory. As you can see, here is our Flutter SDK. If you open it, you will find everything related to Flutter SDK. Okay, so we are done with our first step. Now our second step is to open Android Studio, and here in the plugin section you need to search for Flutter. Here you will find a plugin. You need to install this, and you also need to install Dart. These plugins are necessary because without it your Android Studio won't know that it supports Flutter. Okay, so after doing these, you can restart your IDE. After that you will find the new Flutter project button here. On clicking the new Flutter project, this window will open. Here you will select the Flutter, and in the start you won't have the SDK path here, so you can simply browse the Flutter SDK path here. Here you will select your root directory. I have installed it in C. You can extract it anywhere as you like. Okay, so here you will select the Flutter SDK and press OK, and this will now support the Flutter SDK path. On clicking next, here you can give it a name, for example Flutter demo app. Okay, after that here you will select what versions or platform do you want it. I'll select the web application here. After that click finish, and your first project will start compiling. It will take some time, so I will fast forward it. So now our project has compiled successfully, and here is the demo code. This codes appear whenever you create a new project. This contains a simple increment button, increment counter. Let's see it in action. From here you can select your platform. Here I will select the Edge browser and then click on the run button. Yeah, it will also take some time, but you don't have to worry. I'll fast forward it again. Okay, so now our app is running successfully in the browser. This app contains simple increment button. As I said, if you click it, the counter will increment on the runtime. So that's all for today. Today we have learned how to set up Flutter in the Android Studio, and we have also created a small app, or have learned how to start building app with Flutter on a browser. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe on my channel and push the bell icon for getting latest updates. Thank you.